A major automaker's online dealership portal was found leaking sensitive customer and vehicle data, raising serious security concerns. Researcher Iton Zverev discovered the flaw, which allowed him to bypass login security checks and create a national administrator account. This account provided access to dealership data, consumer lookup tools, and even the ability to remotely control vehicles. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. By using a car's VIN number, easily visible on windshields, Zverev could identify owners and pair vehicles with mobile accounts. This meant attackers could potentially unlock cars and steal belongings. Although Zverev did not attempt to drive a vehicle, the flaw created a real risk of threat and stalking. The portal also exposed personally identifiable customer information, some financial records, and telematics systems capable of tracking real-time vehicle locations. Alarmingly, administrator accounts could impersonate dealership staff without needing credentials, expanding the scope of the breach. While the expert found no evidence of malicious exploitation, he stressed the vulnerabilities were a nightmare awaiting to happen. The automaker fixed the flaws within a week. Experts advise car owners to limit in-car data storage, update software, review app access, and inspect vehicles for trackers to safeguard privacy. Let's look into today's headlines. The Prime Minister Office meeting scheduled for 23rd September to boost homegrown consulting giants against Big Four. The Prime Minister's office will hold a high-level meeting on September 23rd of 2025 to push regulatory reforms for creating large Indian audit and consulting firms to rival global giants like Deloitte, EY, KPMG and PwC. Chaired by Principal Secretary Shaktikant Das, the meeting will review progress since June and discuss multidisciplinary firms, easing regulatory barriers and ICAI's draft framework. With Big Four affiliates dominating India's corporate sector, the move aims to strengthen domestic expertise, corporate sovereignty, and capture a share of the $240 billion global market. OpenAI to launch first ChatGPT hardware device by 2027 and taps Apple supply chain and ex-Apple talent. OpenAI is preparing to launch its first ChatGPT-powered hardware device by late 2026 or early 2027. The AI company has partnered with former Apple designer Johnny Ive and is hiring top hardware talent from Apple. Reports suggest OpenAI is collaborating with Apple's supply chain partners like Luxshare and Gore-Tech to manufacture devices, including smart speakers, wearables, and AI-powered gadgets. With Tan Tan, ex-Apple design chief, leading hardware efforts, OpenAI aims to merge artificial intelligence with consumer electronics for a next-generation AI device ecosystem. Huawei introduces DeepSeek R1 Safe AI for secure and politically neutral digital ecosystem. Huawei has launched DeepSeek R1 Safe, a safety-focused AI model designed to filter politically sensitive content and harmful prompts. Developed in collaboration with Zhejiang University and powered by 1,000 Ascent AI chips, the model achieves an 83% security defense score, outperforming rivals like Alibaba's QN235B. Despite strict filtering, the system maintains near-original performance with less than a 1% drop in efficiency. Built on the open-source DeepSeek R1, the safe version ensures compliance with Beijing's AI regulations while advancing China's AI security ecosystem. YouTube launches 30+ AI tools at Made on YouTube 2025 to redefine content creation. Celebrating its 20th anniversary, YouTube unveiled over 30 AI-powered tools at the Made on YouTube 2025 event to transform content creation, editing, monetization, and audience engagement. Key highlights include Veo 3 Fast for shorts and podcast clipping, AI-driven editing, multilingual dubbing, and advanced analytics with Ask Studio. These innovations aim to help creators save time, expand reach, and boost revenue while addressing concerns around originality and misinformation. With TikTok and Instagram ramping up AI features, YouTube's AI strategy strengthens its competitive edge. A cyber attack disrupts check-in systems at major European airports. A cyber attack on Collins Aerospace's MUSC check-in system disrupted operations at major European airports, including London's Heathrow, Berlin, and Brussels. While Heathrow and Berlin eased delays by Sunday, Brussels airport faced severe disruptions, cancelling half of Monday's departures due to unresolved software issues. The attack caused long queues, cancellations, and reliance on manual check-ins. RTX, Collins' parent company, is working with airports to restore full functionality. The incident highlights the rising risk of cybersecurity threats to global aviation infrastructure. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.